What up, YouTube? I got an addition here on my 55-gallon. I got 3 more fishes because I lost 3 bala sharks. So I added the red devil, added the convict over there, and then I added the Jack Dempsey. He should be somewhere around there under the rocks. They go to Parrot fighting with the ram again. Those guys always fighting. But the Oscar has grown 1.5 inches in about a month. He's one of my favorites, of course. I'll probably add another one this weekend. So look out for that update. Basically, my aquarium is a 55-gallon, and I added some ornaments again. So hope you enjoy this video of the aquarium. The parrot is really nice too. The parrot has gotten big as well. But the Oscar's, he's the king of the crop, you know. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video, and we speak to you soon.